You've watched 50 AI videos, saved 100 tools, and you still haven't built a single thing. You keep saying, what if I pick the wrong platform? What if I waste days going down the wrong path? But while you're stuck researching, your competitors are automating. This video walks you through the one beginner-friendly tool that lets non-technical business owners build useful apps fast. Now, most tools expect you to learn their system. Caffeine flips that. It adapts how you already think so you can build something without translating ideas into code. Now, keep in mind, you don't need to understand AI. You just need a problem worth solving. This tool isn't asking you to become technical. It's asking you, what are you trying to solve? And giving you a dead simple way to start that process. Now, the idea of vibe coding unlocks momentum, not confusion. Instead of a blank screen or rigid workflows, Caffeine lets you build by feel. Describe what you want and then just get started. And the result? You can make real progress in minutes and not weeks. Now, here's what I built. There's going to be a link down below where you can see it, or you'll see something pop up, but you'll get to see what I've already built in just a few minutes. And I didn't touch a line of code. I just described what I wanted, followed a few guided steps, and suddenly I had a working app in minutes. Now, the goal isn't becoming an expert, it's reclaiming your time. Now, let's get started and try this out. Now, if you're familiar with using other vibe coding platforms, you're going to be able to type in your idea in just a few seconds. I want to create a dating app for my industry. I want to have a dating app for vibe coders. So right here, I'm going to describe what I want to do, and then I'm going to click return. And in a few seconds, it's going to ask me more clarifying questions of what I want to do. So first of all, it says, that sounds like a fun concept. To shape this dating app for vibe coders, could you tell me a little bit more about what you want to include? So here I can get a little bit more specific of what I want my app to do. I want the app to be based on personality and profiles to be able to choose someone to chat. Now, again, we're using this for my idea about a dating app, but what about yourself? What are you trying to do? Let me know in the comment section down below. So right here, we have the details of what it's going to be having, what we need. I'm just going to give it more details of how we're going to add more of the profiles into the application. And once I've done that, now it's breaking down the specs of what my app is going to include. We see everything on the right-hand side, the overview, authentication, user profiles, and it goes down and starts breaking down the requirements. And then without touching a line of code, it's starting to build out my apps. If we look on the right-hand side, we see all the code that it's being generated right now. So we're going to sit back for a moment, grab a cup of coffee, and see what it creates. Now, there's something I want to highlight right here that's happening in real time. When I try to create this, it says the AI was unable to complete your request. Try rephrasing it more clearly. So what did I have to do? As I was creating this, I had to break this idea down and make it more simple and have less features first before it starts executing and can create my app. This is really important because you know how honest I am on this channel. I'm going to show you the good and the bad, but this is something that happens when you're vibe coding and you're going through this. In natural language, I'm saying, hey, okay, this is what I'm trying to create, and here are the steps I'm going to take to make it more simple, and then we can add on to my idea or application. So right here, all I said was, I want to create an application where people can start connecting like a dating app. Very simple. Then it starts asking me more clarifying questions of what I want to add first. So because of that, now they're building out that simple app, and we're going to be now seeing the result. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think if you have questions. But this is really important, especially when you're creating platforms and creating apps with vibe coding platforms like Caffeine. It's important that you start thinking about what are the core features you need, how do I go about it, and then building upon that. So this is a perfect example, and we're always showing different aspects or the pros and cons and how we're going through this to show you in real time what we've had and what we need to improve. And by the way, we have other clips to show you other apps that we've built over time. So there's going to be links down below for you to see that as well. Here on the right-hand side, we can see all of the different files that it's creating for this application. We can see the profile setup, the header, the footer, all these different files. So if we're curious of what it's building out, we can see this line by line of code. With these new specifications, it has created my app. Now let's look at what it says in the chat. It looks like the core features for your simple app are ready to go. So I can review this, see if I like everything, and then I can make changes. Let's take a look. It's mobile optimized. We have this here. Mention smart matching, real-time chat, and secure and private. We can start, and then we can sign in and go from there. So it's redirecting the app right here. And so right here, we have a section where we can create a profile and then be able to go from there in our app. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see more of this app that we just built, or if you want to see another idea. And let me know in the comment section what you're trying to build for your idea. Now, Caffeine, there are some limitations of the type of applications that you can build at this time. In fact, talking to the team, some of the best examples would be creating your own portfolio for your brand, your personal brand, or for your company, or creating very simple applications. But they're going to be continuing to growing and going from there. In the comment section down below, let me know, what do you want to see? What are you trying to build? This isn't about mastering a platform. It's about freeing up your hours and time to focus on creating something useful for your business or your community. Every week you spend researching is a week someone else is creating simple apps for their business and getting faster, leaner, and more profitable while you're staying stuck. You don't need to master a plan. Just pick up one task or one idea and use Caffeine to build out your idea and get your first win on the board. Now, this video is brought to you by Caffeine, but as you can see, as I'm going through this video, I show you the good and bad, the ways that they can improve, and the limitations. It's important that you pick the right tool for your idea. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think and what questions that you have. We do these videos every single week, so make sure that you like and subscribe if this is something you're interested in, and I'll see you in the next video.